Girls, welcome back to your general knowledge class. Today we will revise the 6 chapters we have completed so far. The 6 chapters we will revise today are number 1, plant science, number 2, human body, number 3, more on plants, number 4, habitat and homes of animals, number 5, weather, number 6, water conservation. Our first chapter is Fun Science. Here we come to know about many facts related to science. After revising the chapter, you should be able to answer the following questions. Answer in one sentence. Number 1. What causes days and nights? Number 2. What is the basic unit of life? Number 3. Why is calcium in milk essential in our diet? Number 4. What happens when ice melts? Number 5. How does a full moon look like? Number 6. What does a caterpillar change into? Number 7. Why is a tadpole termed as an amphibian? Number 8. What is the name of the force that holds everything to the earth? Number 9. Name the scientist who studies stars. Number 10. Who is a geologist? Number 11. Where do butterflies have their taste receptors? Number 12. Name the hardest and the softest mineral found on the earth. Our second chapter is human body. The human body is a machine which works continuously without any rest. After revising the chapter, you should be able to answer the following questions. Answer in one sentence. Number 1. Why is our blood red? Number 2. What time does blood take to make a trip to all parts in the body? Number 3. Which blood cells destroy and fight disease-causing germs? Number 4. What is the normal body temperature of a healthy person? Number 5. Where does digestion of food take place? Number 6. How many bones do a newborn baby and an adult have? Number 7. Which is the longest bone in the body? Number 8. What is a spinal cord? Number 9. Which organ transports oxygen to all parts of the body? Number 10. Which part of the human body removes undigested food out of the body? Number 11. What is the main function of the heart? Number 12. How many chambers does a human heart have? Number 13. What is the function of the brain? Number 14. What are the two parts of the brain? Our third chapter for revision is more on plants. Here we come to know how plants are helpful to us. Green plants are the only living organism who take in carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and release oxygen in the air. After revising this chapter, you should be able to answer the following questions. Answer in one sentence. Number 1. During photosynthesis, which gas do plants use? Number 2. Where do we find the seeds of coniferous trees like pine? Number 3. Name a plant that does not have chlorophyll. Number 4. Name a material that comes from plants. Number 5. Which plant helps to cure burns? Number 6. Which plant gives us a tasty fruit? Number 7. What do we call plants that grow in one year, flower the next year, and die. Number 8. Name a fruit with a pit. Number 9. What is the name given to the upper parts of the trees in a rainforest? Number 10. What do we call low and flat grassland? Number 11. Name a prickly plant that lives in dry places. Number 12. What type of climate do we find in tropical rainforests? Number 13. What is a forest? Our fourth chapter for revision is Habitat and Homes of Animals. All human beings have their homes. We cannot live in the wild. Likewise, animals have their habitat. After revising this chapter, you should be able to answer the following questions. Answer in one sentence. Number 1. Where do penguins live? Number 2. How do desert animals beat the heat? Number 3. Name an animal that sleeps on trees. Number 4. Where do frogs live? Number 5. Name an animal that lives in swamps. Number 6. Where do gorillas live? Number 7. Where do whales live? Number 8. Where do we find polar bears? Number 9. Where do zebras live? Number 10. Where do we find snakes? Number 11. Name the habitat of seagulls. Number 12. Where do camels live? Our fifth chapter for revision is weather. Weather is a state of atmosphere at a particular place during a short period of time. It involves such atmospheric phenomena as temperature, humidity, precipitation, air pressure, wind, and cloud cover. After revising this chapter, you should be able to answer the following questions. Answer in one sentence. Number 1. What causes seasonal changes? Number 2. What is meant by meteorology? Number 3. Name the gases which compose air. Number 4. What is humidity? Number 5. What is precipitation? Number 6. What do we call a moving air? Number 7. What is fog? Number 8. Name the 4 kinds of precipitation. Number 9. What is atmosphere? Number 10. How are clouds formed? Number 11. Name the lowest layer of atmosphere. Number 12. Name the instrument that measures wind speed. Our last chapter for revision is water conservation. Water conservation refers to the preservation, control, and development of water resources, both surface and groundwater, and prevention of pollution. After revising this chapter, you should be able to answer the following questions. Answer in one sentence. Number 1. Name a good solvent which dissolves all sorts of natural pollutants. Number 2. At least how much water does a cow need to make 1 liter of milk? Number 3. While applying soap, what should you do? Number 4. Which water should you collect for garden use? Number 5. How should you wash the laundry in the washing machine? Number 6. How should you clean the sidewalks and driveways? Number 7. When should you water the plants? Number 8. What type of plants should you choose for your garden? Number 9. How should you rinse dirty dishes? Number 10. What percentage of the earth's water is drinkable? Number 11. What wastes about 40 gallons of water in a week? Number 12. What is meant by water treatment? Girls, we have revised 6 chapters with the help of questions individually. Now, let us solve the chapter's questions in a mixed bag pattern. Answer in one word. Number 1. Name the insect which tastes food by standing on top of it. Number 2. Name the mineral used to make talcum powder. Number 3. What are the 2 parts of the brain? Number 4. Which forests are dense jungles? Number 5. Which animals digs burrows in the sand to stay cool during the day? Number 6. Name the instrument that measures wind speed. Number 7. Name the cloud that touches the earth. Number 8. Name a chemical used to clean drinking water. Now, write true or false and correct the false statements. Number 1. A cow needs 7 liters of water to make 1 liter of milk. Number 2. A leaky faucet wastes 1 liter of water in a week. Number 3. Collect rainwater for garden use. Number 4. Water vapor in the air condenses to form clouds. Number 5. Zebras live in rainforests. Number 6. Frogs live in deserts. Number 7. Rainforests are not important to the environment. Number 8. A plant that helps cure burns is fern. Number 9. The spinal cord is a type of bone. Number 10. Diamond is the hardest mineral found on the earth. Now girls, let's solve the fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash is a scientist who studies rocks. Number 2. Humans have taste receptors on their dash. Number 3. The main function of the heart is to pump dash to all parts of the body. Number 4. The dash interprets and reacts to nerve signals. Number 5. Dash live in polar regions. Number 6. The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called dash. 7. Daily changes in the weather are due to dash and dash. 8. Dash is the process of cleaning the water to make it safe for people to drink. Now, match the following. There are 2 columns, column A and column B. Column A, number A, water. B, tadpole. C, a full moon looks like a. D, a newborn baby has. E, prickly plant. Column B, number 1, cactus. Number 2, good solvent. Number 3, 300 bones. Number 4, silver plate. Number 5, amphibian. we have completed revising 6 chapters of general knowledge with the help of questions. Hope you will do well in the examination. Best of luck.